Wisdom teeth is one of the more common procedures that we do perform on a day in and day out basis. Many people ask me, why do we have wisdom teeth? And the short story is people used to lose teeth at a much earlier age. These teeth could replace them. But unfortunately, for patients today, or fortunately, people don't lose teeth. They see their dentist regularly, they keep their mouths healthy. The consequence of that is the fact that there's not enough room for wisdom teeth. As I tell patients day in and day out, you have enough room for 28 teeth, you just don't have enough for 32. If we leave these wisdom teeth over time, they will cause a lot of problems, from infections to gum problems. The worst thing that we see all the time is the wisdom teeth will damage the other teeth. I think the funny thing is that patients will ask people if they've had their wisdom teeth out, and people like to say, oh, it's going to be terrible. But the reality is, it is not. And across the board, patients will come back after having their wisdom teeth out and say, that was a much easier process than I had imagined. Getting them out early is always the beneficial part. It's easier, it's safer, there's less consequences and complications, and overall, patients really do have a pleasant experience having their wisdom teeth out.